porvorim फ्लायओवराचें काम सुरू जावचे पयलींच जतनाय घेतली जाल्यार प्रदूषण तशेंच येरादारी विशीं समस्या निर्माण जावच्यो नाशिल्ल्यो अशें आपणे न्यायालयाक सांगिल्ल्याचें ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी सांगलें। फ्लायओवराचें काम करतना जतनाय घेवन आशिल्ल्यान भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याच्या कार्यकारी अभियंत्याक न्यायालयांत हजर रावपाक सांगिल्ल्याची म्हायती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी दिली। तशेंच हे विशीं मंगळारा न्यायालयात सुनावणी जातली अशें पांगम हांणी सांगलें।
Matter is concerned, it came up before the High Court today. There are certain further grievances made by the petitioner in person, like pollution, barricades being not there, and so on and so forth. So the matter has been fixed for tomorrow now again. The government has been directed to put on record some mechanism where people can complain and that complaint can be addressed to. We are supposed to report to the High Court tomorrow as to who will be the person who will be responsible as far as any grievances made by the citizens to be taken care of. Further, the court has told the executive engineer of the PWD, Mr. Jude Carvalho, to remain present in the court because it is found that so many things which were ordered last time were not complied with. Proper precautions are not taken. So therefore, he has been directed to remain personally present in the court tomorrow. See, what I said to the court was that precautions which were required to be taken in the beginning, before the work started, were not taken. And if that was taken from the beginning, then the situation, the way it is now, it would have been from the beginning. The situation has improved now after the court took cognizance and several things were implemented at site. If this precaution was taken from the beginning itself, all this pollution, traffic issues would have not arisen at all. That is what I told the court.
So matter will be heard
It
again.
will be heard tomorrow.